December weather. For goodness sake, make that fire. Ah, that's better. And talking of December, reminds us of the 25th. And that brings us to Christmas Day. I saw in the newspaper the other day that we are to have extra rations for Christmas. And I suddenly thought of how most of our extra rations have to come in merchant ships. Yes, even the turkeys. Fancy a turkey marching up the gangway. I bet it wouldn't half gobble when the ship rocked. And all through Christmas Day, and every day and night of your Christmas holidays, the merchant ships will be battling across the heavy seas. I think we had better go down below. Find that ladder. Oh, it's warmer down here. Big ships, little ships, foreign-going convoys, dirty old coasters, each pounding along like this one, flying a tattered red ensign, each with its crew of fathers and brothers from some family who will be keeping Christmas this time without them. So again this year, the Merchant Navy Comfort Service is having a Christmas dinner plate, so that on Christmas Day, our friends, especially the boys and girls, can make a collection of pennies and sixpences and shillings to help our work. Perhaps Uncle George or Auntie May will put half a crown in, who knows? So when you go home today, say to Mum and Dad, what about laying a place for the Merchant Navy on our Christmas dinner table this year? The plate is a bit smaller than last time because of the paper shortage, but it has a jolly picture of merchant ships and Father Christmas with circular spaces in his sack for different coins. Now, if they say, yes, all right, then come back to school and ask the teacher for a Christmas dinner plate. Now, don't forget, because we do want you to have the plate in good time before you break up. Remember, the money will help to send comforts to the Merchant Navy, who still need them. Please remember that. And it will help to rebuild the Red Ensign Club, to rebuild the Royal Merchant Navy School for boys and girls who have lost their fathers in the Merchant Navy. That's nearly all this time, except to wish you a very happy Christmas. I think that the new year of 1945 will bring victory in Europe, thanks to our splendid soldiers, sailors and airmen. And when it comes, let's always remember that the Merchant Navy has played a big part in bringing it. So you see why we want those Christmas dinner plates to come back to school after the holidays, loaded right up to the top. Please lay a place for the Merchant Navy at your Christmas dinner table this year.